Hey everyone, welcome to Knoll Tech. Today I'm showing you how to add music to your Facebook story with multiple photos. Let's jump right in. First, open your Facebook app and tap on Create Story. Now, to select multiple photos, tap the gallery icon and enable Select Multiple. Choose the photos you want. I'll select 3 here. Once you've selected your images, tap Next. Now, here's the key part for adding music to Facebook stories. Tap on your first photo, then hit Edit at the top. You'll see an option that says Add Music on top. Tap that. This opens the Facebook Music Library, where you can browse categories, search for specific songs, or scroll through the entire list. Let me pick this song here. Tap on it to add it to your story. Now, if you want to change how the music appears, whether it's just text or lyrics, tap the music sticker and select your preferred style. Hit Done when you're satisfied, and you can reposition the sticker anywhere on your photo. Tap Next to move forward. Now, repeat this process for each photo. Swipe to the next image, tap Edit, select Add Music, and choose the same or different song. You can also change the album artwork style if you want. Do this for all your photos. Once you've added music to all images, tap Next. Then hit Share to Story to post it. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-photo Facebook story with music. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe to Knoll Tech for more tutorials. See you in the next one.